Alright, for this project we're going to be looking at radioactivity and wine grapes. And this little video is made by yours truly. Now grapevines are a very delicate sort of plant and very picky. They need just the amount of water to be able to produce the best kinds of grapes and thrive, right? So it's very important that you know the moisture content of the earth to be able to figure out how much water they need. For this, you use a neutron moisture probe. Now these probes are made out of an access tube and a little magic box of wonder that we don't care about. Now down here we have a neutron emitter, and this is made out of either americium-241 or radium-226, and these are both alpha emitters, so they emit alpha particles. When these alpha particles are emitted, they collide with a beryllium atom, and that ejects a fast neutron. Now with these fast neutrons, they'll just kind of be ejected out into the soil. This is important because when it rains, H2O comes down and we have hydrogen atoms and they're scattered everywhere basically. Now the important part about this is these fast neutrons will collide with the hydrogen atom, so it'll be one proton and one neutron. That will make up a thermal neutron. Now, these thermal neutrons will then be scattered everywhere there's a hydrogen atom, and down there we'll also have a detector that is sensitive to thermal neutrons, and it basically counts them all out and sends that information up to a counter display where it can then be processed and used to tell you the moisture content, basically. Now you might be wondering, isn't radiation dangerous? You shouldn't have it this close to food. Well, it is dangerous, but only in very large amounts, and since this is a very small amount, it doesn't matter, and all food you eat has a small amount of radiation in it, so it wouldn't affect it anyway. So generally speaking, these probes can be used in any other sort of agricultural or industrial means, though they do only measure hydrogen atoms, not necessarily only the hydrogen atoms in water, so you just have to keep that in mind, but I'm sure they'll take over the world one day.